So if you want to visually represent a continuous variable, you can use a line chart. In this case, we have a table where we have the year from 1990 to 2001 and sales of 2 items. These can be represented using a line chart. Let us try to create a line chart for these 2 variables. So I'm going to go to insert. Then you can see there are some lines here. Click on the lines and get a 2D line. So you got a blank interface like this. So click on the blank line chart, then select data. So enter the series name, where in this case we'll have cotton sales, while the series values are going to be all the values for cotton sales. Then okay. Next, I want us to enter the series name called beef sales, and the series values are going to be the beef sales. Then okay. So after that, you're going to realize that the only thing that is missing out is the years, because we just have the x-axis labels 1 to 12. So click on edit horizontal axis, then highlight from 1990 to 2001. Then okay. And we have a line chart. So this line chart, you can see the fluctuation of sales or across these years, that is from 1990 to 2001. You can see the sales particularly were at peak in the year 1998. So that is how you read a line chart.